Hello everybody, how are you? Hope everyone will be good with their family. How is everything? What's going on today? Come closer to me. Today I brought something special for you and your friends. If you have any special friend and you want to give him some special gift so that he can remember you for a long time, so we are here to giving you the proper and beautiful idea that what you can give to your special friend. Dear viewers, before we get started, don't forget to share and like the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe the channel for more crochet mart tips and tricks. A crochet keychain is a small and thoughtful project that can be completed quickly. Here are some ideas and benefits of crochet keychain. Personalized and unique. Makes a thoughtful gift. Small and portable. Can be customized with different colors and stitches. Easy to attach to keys or backpack. We have some ideas for that also. Simple crochet keychain in a solid color, color strips or chevroness, flowers or leaf shaped keychain, geometric shaped keychain. Crochet a keychain with a small charm or bead. Make a crochet keychain with a personalized initial or name. Create a bohemian inspired keychain with fringe and tassels. Some popular stitches for crochet keychains includes single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, terrible crochet, slip stitches, fillet crochet. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of beautiful and unique video. You can use different yarn weight, color and stitches to create various designs. Remember to keep it small and simple. And it's a keychain. You can also add like buttons, beads or appliques to give it a personalized touch. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you for watching our videos.